this one, guys, and I will show you closely because I have a stand on my laptop. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe guys, please do subscribe and click the bell button. So, yan, and hit the like guys. So, anyway guys, for today's video, we will unbox this gift of my husband to me. So, I have those things. So, it's a notebook desk stand. So, yan. Ergonomic design. So, yan, this is what it look like. So, I will unbox this one, guys, and I will show you closely because I have a stand on my laptop already, but it's not that strong. I bought it in Shein, and I was always complaining because it's not that strong that I want to. So, but it helped. I still can use it, but of course we want to have an stronger one. So my husband brought this one, and yeah, so we will unbox this. How are we gonna unbox? So yeah, this is what it look like, and I'm so excited to show you guys. And he also bought me this one, Maxxter mouse pad. Yan, cause I gonna use it for my laptop mouse. So yan, he bought me one of this one also. So yan, it's very thick, and yeah, it's a good price. It's only cheap, but yeah, and yeah, this is what we're gonna show you. Oh my god, this is hard and heavy. This is heavy guys than I thought. So this is what it look like. Yan. So yan, I don't know how to use it, but yeah, so this is what it looks. So no more nothing inside anymore. So this is the only thing that we can, and I don't want to break it. So this is how it look like. Oh, or like this. I don't know. So we'll try. I will get my laptop and show you guys how it work. So yeah, this is what it look like, guys. Yan. Yan. And there's also a number, guys. You can put how you want it, like kung anong gusto nyong position, what position do you like, and there's a you can lock here so it's not gonna slip. And so yeah, and we'll try to put my laptop, and we need, before we do that, we need to lock. So you need to make sure guys that it's very tight, because if you put it that you then you didn't lock, it will gonna fall down. So this is my laptop. So yan, and that's what it look like. Yan, that's what it look like, guys. So it worked, and the quality guys is very nice. Yan. So yeah, so yan, it's very nice quality. Yeah. And also you can do some, it depends on you guys, what position do you want to use it, because you can adjust it. So yeah, so yan guys, ito na yung Lucky. Ayan, it's very nice and very strong, very nice quality. Yan. And then yeah, it's up to you. So I can adjust. I wanted to use it in low. So you have to take it off first. And I think you can possibly do also. Yan guys. So yeah. So I have a very strong notebook this stand now. So we have this one. So it's nice, diba? So work, and so you don't have a back pain. So yeah. So yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button nakatabi nito, guys, para ma-notify ka sa susunod kong video. Thank you, guys. Be safe. Love ya. Mwah. And shoutout nga pala sa aking super chatter and sa aking mga members, guys. Thank you very much, guys. Love ya. Bye.